FRAMOS is the leading camera module design and manufacturing expert. Founded in Munich, Germany, FRAMOS stands for superior image quality, an open-source approach, and modularity, helping customers launch products quicker and stay ahead of the competition. FRAMOS provides off-the-shelf and customized embedded vision solutions with strong expertise on optics, engineered and manufactured in Europe. By combining R&D and manufacturing under one roof, FRAMOS scales seamlessly from prototype to millions of units. Focusing defines where image quality matters. FRAMOS masters every level of focusing, from center focus to balance multiple ROI methods, and high-precision active alignment to balance performance, consistency, and cost. Each camera module is precisely calibrated for consistent and repeatable performance across volume production. ISP tuning is tailored to the sensor, optics, and target application. This ensures robust image quality under real-world lighting conditions to achieve superior clarity, color, and detail. Camera modules are qualified for thermal, mechanical, and environmental stress. This ensures stable imaging performance in demanding real-world conditions. FRAMOS accelerates the transition from concept to series production. Integrated engineering and manufacturing enable fast iterations and smooth scaling to mass production. FRAMOS, European engineering and manufacturing that deliver better images and better products.